this latest situation with the senior Reggae Boyz jetting off to Austria to compete in a 4-team tournament involving Qatar, Morocco, and Ghana, basically without a coach. Long-time assistant Aaron Gordon will be the man assigned to use this particular basket for carry water. All of this amidst conflicting reports. Read the status of Coach Paul Hall. His agent Fitzroy Simpson says negotiations for Hall getting the job permanently are going well, while my Maverick sources tell me that the JFF don't want to hire Paul Hall again, but they don't have no money to hire nobody else. So the head coach position remains in limbo. My bigger issue, though, is that we're falling right into that same old cycle again. The football program grinding to a halt after another failed World Cup bid. No coach, no sponsors, no home games, no interest. And we're going to stay in this mode until it gets closer to the next World Cup qualifying. And then we hustle up a coach, we hustle up a team, we hustle up some foreign-born players. We try to qualify again. We fail again, and then we start the cycle all over again. Yes, see Jamaica football program, see the cycle here. Right,